wash my hair because I have a casting today, and guys, my hair is not bad. But because I'm washing my hair with you lovelies, guys, look at that. Like, look at all the gel. This first shower to wash my hair first. And conditioner. I'll usually use like natural hair like that. But let me show you guys what I use. I'm going down a nice shower, just so my hair can fully absorb it. Shower. Bye. Oh gosh, wait a second. It's, hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer. Ooh. That we're in, like, I feel like everything's about to change. Very normal, and I mean in the good way possible. That's gonna become your only truth. Yeah. So here we go. We girlies know